Hi, I'm Sonia from Presidency School, Bangalore, and the layout. Today I'm going to explain you how I did my Google Sheet. It is like annual progress report which we have to create. Come, let's see how I did this. So we are supposed to do a detailed yearly progress report of the student in our class, and then first sheet, second sheet, we'll have to add the SSA, and the final thing is I'll have to do all the formatting. So this already I've just entered Presidency School and layout Bangalore. I have entered for three categories. One is first pre-board examination, second pre-board, and the term examination. So I'll just show you these are the things which I have already done, which I have marked it with red color. So I have just directly entered all the marks. I have created average, total, and all these things. So to I calculate the average, I have used is equal to average of the formula. To find the sum, I have used is equal to sum of formula, and I've done it for all the categories, say average, sum, and all these things. So this is how I've done with my Google Sheet, the first one, to find the sum and the average. You can just see average and maximum, minimum, all this I can directly do it. So that's how I've done with my average. The next one is I'm going to show you how I did my conditional formatting. In order to do my conditional formatting, I'll have to directly go to conditional formatting from the format menu, and you can just see values less than 40. I've added red color, so you can just see value less than 40. I've just added red color here. So whoever is failed, it will be shown in red color. So that's how I have filter, or I have made the conditional formatting as less than 40 marks, and whoever has got less than 40 marks, their conditional formatting will be red in color. The next one is I've taken it to the next sheet with maximum, minimum, and all these things. So I'm just entering all the values here. According to this, I have got all the minimum and the maximum value entered here. So I have come to this sheet number 2, where I have taken up all the um, marks of the maximum marks, minimum marks, average, and the number file. So I'll have to use countif here. So I used countif, and then I have just taken it from the other sheets. So the formatting for this countif is I'll have to directly do it like is equal to max. If I have to use maximum, I'll be using maximum of the sheet 1, whatever data I had given in the sheet 1, and I've also given the countif price less than 40. So whoever has got less than 40, the counter will filter it and show it to that. So that's how I've done with the counter. You can just see the average, this average, and the other average. Third one is I have inserted a chart for all the things. So I'm just using this filtering. I'm filtering the data of first student, second row number 1 and 2, and then I can also filter it according to the names given, or I can also filter it according to the student name, and you can see all the marks. It is showing term 1, term 2, term 3 marks, and the highest and the lowest in the class. And this is how I've done with all the other details also. You can see pre-board 1, pre-board 2, term 1, and all the details I have filtered here. So this is how I've done with the thing. And the next one is can also see a particular child, one particular child marks also. If I have to get it, I've got it here by taking it from the data. So I have created sheet number 1, 2, 1, 3. So you can just see a detailed look of sheet number 1, then sheet number 2, and then sheet number 3. So sheet number 1 consists of all the data, sheet number 2 consists of only maximum, minimum, highest, and sheet number 3 consists of all the data whichever we have asked. That in my project I have done all the other data whatever is asked, and I have also done the formatting, merging, calculations, and all these things. And that's how I've done with my project. Thank you.